Exercise helps in maintaining a healthy weight by burning calories. It increases metabolism, allowing the body to burn more calories even at rest. It also helps to build muscle, which can further contribute to weight management. Regular exercise strengthens the heart and improves cardiovascular health. It reduces the risk of heart disease, lowers blood pressure, and improves blood circulation. It also increases the levels of HDL cholesterol, good cholesterol, while reducing levels of LDL cholesterol, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides. Exercise, particularly strength training, helps build and tone muscles. It increases muscle strength and endurance, making daily activities easier to perform. Strong muscles also support and protect the joints, reducing the risk of injuries. Engaging in exercises that promote flexibility, such as stretching and yoga, helps to improve joint range of motion and overall flexibility. Additionally, balance exercises, such as Tai Chi, can enhance stability and reduce the risk of falls, especially in older adults. Exercise has a positive impact on mental health. It stimulates the release of endorphins, often referred to as feel-good hormones, which can help reduce feelings of stress, anxiety, and depression. Regular exercise also promotes better sleep, boosts self-esteem, and improves overall mood and cognitive function. Regular physical activity lowers the risk of developing various chronic conditions such as type 2 diabetes, certain types of cancer such as colon and breast cancer, and metabolic syndrome. It also helps manage existing chronic conditions and improves overall quality of life. Contrary to popular belief, exercise actually boosts energy levels. Regular physical activity improves muscle strength and endurance, increases oxygen and nutrient supply to the tissues, and improves cardiovascular health, all of which contribute to increased energy levels and reduced fatigue.